Hi all, it's Drutter. Today is the 22nd of August 2011, and I believe you know who you're looking at. That's Charlie from crabbydogtrix, aka Wide Awake News and Wide Awake Radio. What a great guy. He showed up on the scene only a few months after I started my Silver channel and quickly rose to many more subscribers than me, and for good reason. He's really knowledgeable about the economy. He's a straight shooter. His rants are on topic and excellent. He puts forth the real economic numbers when the media is reporting, the doctored numbers and so forth. So Charlie, I just wanted to say hi to Charlie. He watches my channel and a lot of the other silver channels. He's a huge supporter of the precious metals, and I very rarely agree 100% with someone, and Charlie is one of those kinds of people. I have almost never ever disagreed with him, and when I have, it's been on very small topics. I'm a very opinionated and picky person, if you haven't noticed. And Charlie is bang on, in my opinion. He's absolutely incredible. So before I get a little too gushing here with my praise, I just wanted to show this video, or at least the last few seconds of this video from, May 12th. 2009. Here's the ending. It was a long rant. I'll link it below if you want to watch it, but the ending was kind of funny. Watch.
Whatever. That's all I have.
Whatever. That's all I have. So my comment at the time was, well, other than my comment on the video itself, I said, whatever, that's all I have. You should always end your videos with some kind of genuinely angry expression like that. I love it. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't sell out. Don't take money. Don't take endorsements. Just keep doing your thing. Keep doing your radio show. Keep doing your channel. I hope you stay on YouTube. You're waking up a lot of people, and you're providing a lot of useful information for a lot of people, and a lot of solutions, useful things that people can do to start taking back your country, the USA, and the rest of the Western world, which has been corrupted along with it. There has to be somebody reporting real news. There has to be someone reporting what's going on. Otherwise, the rest of us can't do our jobs either. People say, Charlie, why don't you get out on the streets with a sign and start doing something useful? Well, excuse me, people, but educating other people about what's really going on in the world gives them information, and that is something that they need. So it is useful. Not everyone can be out on the streets holding a sign 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's just not how it works. There has to be coordination. There has to be channels like this that are putting out information that people need and people can use to mobilize, to get ready, to get enthusiastic about something, and to get the information they need to move that into actions. And that's what Charlie's channel does. To say that Charlie's not doing anything because he's not out there holding a sign, and I'm sure that Charlie actually does go to rallies and whatnot, but he of course isn't doing it 24 hours a day. To criticize him for not doing it all the time is ridiculous. What are you doing, people? Are you educating anyone? Are you mobilizing anyone? Charlie has done more good in one video than most of you people have done in your entire lives. So I'm tired of the criticism. If anyone hasn't checked out crabbydogtrix, please do. The link is down below. I think you'll find that he speaks the truth as best as he knows it, and he's a really good source of alternative information that you won't get on CNN.com. Moving right along to the silver chart. This is the last 18 and a half months of silver, actually getting close to 19 months now. It starts at the beginning of February 2010. Just drawing a trend line, connecting these peaks, and a lower parallel trend line from this low, crossing through this one and these ones, and on up. I'll move this closer so we can see the recent action. As you can see, silver has come up brilliantly. That was Friday. And so far this week it has moved up even further and bounced off the $44 level, which is the upper limit of this band, and is now coming down. It's 43.24. It's actually a significant pullback this afternoon, but nothing compared to the gains in the last week and a half or so. So yeah, this has been an interesting ride, but silver remains in this channel. Who knows for how long it will remain? Will it break through this? Test it again in a few days maybe and push through? I don't know what would happen if that were to occur. It could be another, another interesting move up. But I'm kind of hoping myself that silver will cool down and just relax. But it's kind of tough with gold doing the things it's doing. At $1,900, actually over 1,900 US paper rectangles today, gold is making headlines, to say the least. We'll have to see what happens with gold. I really don't know. I predict it'll keep on going, especially as we get these banking crises happening. Europe is having banking crises. The US is having banking crises. For example, the Bank of America has lost more than half its share value so far this year. Every day you look at it and it's down a few more percent. So they're getting very, very close to another 2008 event. And that's something that none of us want to see again, but it's something that we know is coming. There's nothing keeping us from that point anyways, other than the artificial stimulus. So as soon as they stop that stimulus, who knows what's going to happen, and who knows what kind of false flags are going to appear to explain it to the sheep. As I'm leaving on my Burning Man trip this coming weekend, and my birthday will be while I'm gone, my friend TheSilverWatch, when we met up the other night, rewind.
We'll be editing a lot tonight.
Undo. Gave me a birthday present, so I just wanted to show you what that was and say thank you to him. The card was pretty funny. Birthday wishes from Gandalf. You actually got kind of excited, didn't you? God, what a geek. Have a great one. Don't burn too much at Burning Man. Awesome. And guess what it is? If you guessed silver, you would be correct. This is the 2011 $10 face value. Fine silver. In other words, at least 999 pure or more. Canadian Maple Forever, it's called. The Maple Forever. It's a ½ ounce of fine silver. And a different maple leaf on the front and different finish. 2011. Very nice. Thank you very much, TheSilverWatch. And speaking of my trip to Burning Man, I am heading out pretty quickly. Ooh, that's nice and bright. So if anyone's thinking of making any purchases on my website, CanadianSilverBullion.com, then hopefully we can get that done before I go this weekend, because obviously I'll be shutting the website down while I'm gone. Who knows what the price can do while I go? I just can't leave, I can't leave it up, and it doesn't automatically update the prices, so I'm going to have to take it down while I'm gone. But hopefully we'll have another repeat of what happened last time I went to Burning Man, which is I went and it was $17, and it had been $17 the entire year, pretty much, last year. And then when I came back, it had finally broken above that $20 mark, and it just didn't stop. It just kept going, and that's when it kept going and going and going to 50. So it could do the same this fall. We don't know. I haven't a clue. But as you saw, it did bounce off that $44 line, that trend line that's been intact for a very long time. So unless we're seeing another massive spike up to 50, probably beyond 50 this time, then it may stay within that trading range. Anyways, I'm rambling. I'll do one more video before I go to Burning Man, but for today, that's all I got. I'm a silver pig, and a silver perv.
Definitely a silver perv.
We're not uploading this.
No, probably not.
Bye for now.